These Nutella pancakes are soft, fluffy, and deliciously filled with chocolate. They are super easy to make, and you can make it with only a few basic ingredients that are mostly already present in your pantry. So, in this video, let's see how to make these Nutella pancakes in 3 simple steps. As the first step, let's make the Nutella discs. I'm placing a spoonful of Nutella onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Flatten it to form a thin disc of approximately 7 centimeters or almost the size of a cookie. With this recipe, we can make 6 pancakes, so I'm making 6 discs. And now we need to freeze them, so keep it in the freezer and it will get set in about 20 minutes. And now let's make the pancake batter. It's so easy to make the batter. We'll add all our ingredients into this bowl and mix everything together. So first I'm adding 3 eggs into this, then adding 1/4 of a cup of sugar. As we are making Nutella pancakes, we don't want much sugar. Beat them with a whisk until it forms a smooth mixture. And now adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We can use any flavorless oil or melted butter instead. Then adding 1.5 cups of milk and give it a good mix. And now I'm sifting and adding 2.5 cups of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. I like to sift the flour while making pancakes as it will make the flour more airy and it will make our pancakes more light and fluffy. After adding the flour, mix everything together until it just forms a smooth mixture. We don't want to overmix the batter as it can result in dense and rubbery pancakes. So make sure there are no dry spots, but if you see some small lumps here and there, that's okay. Our batter is now ready, and now let's cook our pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan on low heat. Add a very little butter or oil and spread it evenly with a paper towel. I'm removing any excess because if there is oil or butter in the pan, our pancakes will not get browned evenly and they may not look pretty. And make sure our pan is warm and not too hot. As these pancakes are thick, we need to cook them slowly. I'm pouring 1/4 of a cup of pancake batter and covering it with a lid. It's been about 20 to 30 seconds. And now I'm adding this frozen Nutella disc and then pour more batter on top, just enough to cover the Nutella. And now again cover the pan with the lid so that the moisture and the steam will get entrapped within and our pancakes will not dry out. And now we need to wait and cook until the edges are set and you see bubbles inside. It may take around 3 to 3.5 minutes. And now carefully flip the pancake and cook for another 1 minute or until the bottom is also golden in color. We may need to adjust the cooking time as needed. It may differ depending on the thickness of the pancake and the heat of our stove. We made 6 thick and fluffy pancakes and now wait for the pancakes to cool down a bit. They are soft, fluffy and super delicious, filled with chocolate. By adding some juicy berries and by topping it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a cloud of whipping cream, we can transform this simple breakfast to an indulgent dessert. I hope you found this recipe super easy to make at home, and I'm sure your whole family will love it. And if you wish to get the printable recipe, you will get it from maryboosters.com. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family who love pancakes and chocolate. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.